What up guys, I'm back with another video. If you haven't already subscribed, go do that right now. And if you're not subscribed, I don't know why you're not subscribed, because if you're not one of my subscribers, when I do the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, you're not gonna get this bike because you're not subscribed. So make sure you're subscribed so you can get the chance to win this bike. So for today guys, my Instagram is in the link below, so if y'all want to contact me, that's the way to go. But today guys, we are going to do some stuff today. Probably not all of it today, but most of it. Look at that. Whew. And the sticker kit I'm about to show y'all. Look at this sticker kit. Can't really see it, but man, does that look good. Look, I'm about to show y'all. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Crazy. And then check out the seat cover. I paid $60 for this seat cover, man. So it matches the stickers. So yeah. So remember what I said? Y'all can win this bike when I hit 1,000 subscribers. But if you're not a subscriber, then I guess you're not gonna be, able to win this bike. So make sure you subscribe. So yeah, there's the seat cover. So I'm gonna do a rundown of everything that I bought. I still have a lot of stuff that I have to buy and things that are still on their way. So I'm gonna inform that right now. I might do the build video right now. Not build, but like I might do I might go ahead and work on the bike today. If not, this video is about all the stuff that I bought for the yz85. Because remember I told you I had a surprise. I was supposed to get another bike. Which we do have another bike into the dirt bike collection that we have. Which is that one. I'm not going to show y'all too much. But yeah. Just know that it's a nice bike. It's not mine. It is my brother's. Well, he's like my brother. It's this guy right here. By your titties, bro. What the fuck is that about my titties? So yeah, in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all everything that I bought for the YZ and when I'm gonna be building it. So stay tuned. What up, guys? I'm back. Y'all wanna see my dog? Say hi, Sandy. No, that's it. Go. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, I'm back. You already knew that I ordered this. This is the swing arm bearing. So I'm gonna replace these as well. Yeah, I paid like, I don't know, like 50 bucks for these, 50, 60 bucks. So they're the good kind. They're all balls. See, right there. So yeah. Alright, now sticker kit right here. I don't know what type of sticker kit it is. I got it off of eBay. I paid 80 bucks for it, literally $80. It's not bad. It looks really good quality. So if you want it, everything that I'll show y'all right now will be in a link in the description down below. So go check it out if y'all want to do y'all YZ just like this. So there's the sticker kit. Alright, this goes for the person that I forgot who it was. Who you is. I don't know. But yeah, you know who you are. This is for the person that told me to get silencer packing. So I got it, bud. And I'm gonna be putting it in. And now my bike is gonna be looking, well, not looking, but sounding crispy. So yeah. Alright, now for the good stuff. Got the seat cover. Like I said, if you want this seat cover, link is down below in the description. So yeah, I paid $66 for this. So pretty expensive for a seat cover. I got all new plastics, 2014 plastics. Excuse me, 2014 plastics. And it bolts up straight up to a 04 yz85, so I shouldn't have no problems. But here is the front fender. Here is the side radiator guard, the side number plates, the rear fender, the back fender, whatever y'all want to call it. Definitely a newer look. That one is kind of like rounded off, so this is definitely gonna look nice. The only thing that if y'all want to go check them out, check this place out. Yeah. So yeah, if y'all want these plastics, I order everything off eBay, so I don't really go to their main website. I just get it all from eBay, and it's just as good. And I don't know. I feel like you get better deals at eBay too, so I would do eBay. eBay is the way to go. It was the front number plate, so I went ahead and ordered that white, and it's like a 2015 or 2020, and it bolts right up. All the forks are the same, so it bolts right up. If I have to do any modifications, I'll show y'all and, you know, let y'all in of how I did it. So yeah. But yeah, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably put the seat cover in. So y'all be like 2 steps ahead of everything. Cut this one off. Look how loose this is. Look at this. Yo! Look at that. There's no packing in there at all. Bro, that's crazy. I should have known that. Alright guys, I'm back. I couldn't go to sleep because I've been thinking about the bike and everything that I want to do with the bike. Up a little later. Right now it is 1:09 in the morning. So, well, morning, yeah, in the morning. So yeah, if y'all want to see, man, I put on the plastics, and I went outside because I looked on my eBay and it told me that the front plastic that I ordered was already delivered. So I went outside and I found it. It was in, somebody, I guess, tried to hide it or something, I don't know. But look how the bike looks now. Looks a little sneak peek. Well, not sneak peek, but this is the vlog, so it's not a sneak peek. But on my Instagram and Snapchat, I do sneak peeks. I don't know. Tell me what y'all think. Was that a good idea? I think I might end up redoing the seat because it's still a little wrinkly, but it's alright. It's not gonna be pretty. I mean, it's not gonna be like 100% perfect because I'm not a perfect person, so I don't do everything perfect. So yeah. Alrighty. So yeah, you see that? I had to do some modifications. I have some spacers that is about this big, and I think I'm gonna tap it and make a hole right here so I can put the spacers into them. So that's gonna be pretty cool. Or I can even take some stuff off of this one, like these little pegs. I can even take them off and use them. But I don't know. I might just use the little peg thingies that I have, little spacers. But I'm not worrying about this right now. But right now I'm gonna go ahead and probably put on the stickers, and probably just on this side though. And yeah, I think I'm gonna put on the stickers. I don't know how you're not tired, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that for y'all guys, and enjoy this little video. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the back, and just proceed from there. I think it's going together really nice. I don't know what y'all think. Pretty cool. Let's proceed. Put in the other ones on. That looks pretty damn good. Alright guys, there you have it, man. This is basically what the bike's gonna look like. This front number plate looks really nice. I like it. I do have to, like I said, I do have to make some mounts, but that's nothing. I'm gonna make it work. I am gonna redo the seat, so that's gonna be looking a lot more better. I'm probably gonna have my dad do it because he's really good at doing seats and things like this. Yeah, like the bike. Basement is all wet because it's freaking raining outside. But yeah. That's it for right now. I think I'm gonna go ahead and wait for the next day and go and get these street tires down at the bike shop, or order them and see if, well, hopefully he has them, and hopefully we can just put them on today.
The next day.
Alright guys, it is the next day. So I went ahead where we left off at. I went ahead and put all the stickers on. I fixed the seat cover. Well, I put the new seat cover on, and obviously it's the next day. A new tire, so yeah. They did have, the reason why I got this tire is I was gonna get Supermoto tires, which is street tires, but they didn't have them in stock. So I know y'all want to see riding videos on the bike still, and I don't want the bike out. I don't want the bike to be out for weeks and weeks just to wait on some tires. What are these things called? Like these little grip thingies. This as well. This is a spoke wrench, well, mini spoke wrench for the smaller bikes, which is these ones. So yeah, things that I still have to do is obviously I'm waiting on the parts that I said: street tires, radiator, silencer, aftermarket hose, well, radiator hoses. And I don't know if I'm gonna buy my header yet, or I might just fix this one. I'm not sure. I have the brand new packing over there. So yeah, that's the bike now. It looks It looks really, really good. Video, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope y'all liked the build. This is only, it's not going to be like part 2, but this is only the part 1 of the Supermoto build. Or part 1 of the yz85 transformation. Yeah, you know what I mean. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, guys. And I hope y'all enjoyed the build. And I want to hear y'all thoughts in the comments below, man. Just go ahead. I know y'all been doing a good job at commenting, and I appreciate that. I always get back to everybody that comments, so make sure y'all comment so y'all get the chance to, you know, get what y'all think out there. So yeah, right, Sandy? so yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all guys on the next video.